Hey guys, welcome back to the Vera Projects. Today we're going to go ahead and make a gingerbread house, but instead of using gingerbread, we're going to use Pop Tarts. So I went ahead and I got the Publix brand of the Pop Tarts, and we're going to go ahead and make it out of that, and we're going to go ahead and decorate the whole thing overall. So as you see here, I got a box of 8. That should give me the 4 walls and a little bit of that roof. We're going to make that as well. And I got me some red icing, so I can go ahead and connect those pieces. So I got the icing, basically. It's ready to go. It's Betty Crocker, and I got all the dips that I can go ahead and put on the icing itself. So the good thing about this icing is that you can just go ahead and remove the filter that's on there, and I'm going to go ahead and pick myself one of the tips in order to glue all this together, and we're gluing it with icing. Just as a heads up, all the different styles that you can do. Okay. Delicious. I want to eat it. So, this is how we're going to make the 4 walls. So first, we're going to start with one side. Alright guys, so I want to share a little secret. One of the secrets is if you want the frosting to dry quick, go ahead and put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Once it's nice and solid, your 4 walls, you're going to be able to go ahead and build that roof. Okay? If not, when you put it on here, it's going to push everything out of the way. Okay? Look out. See how it's holding now? So that's one of my secrets that I've been using in order to do this. So, and you, like I said, you're going to be doing this in stages. Initially I was going to wait overnight, but I decided to just go ahead and place it in one of the, I have a deep freezer that I place it in, and that's what I really need. That, you know, it helps a lot with that part. It looks pretty good overall. It's going to be delicious to eat it later, that's for sure. And then to cover this end here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it. I'm going to go ahead and shape it. That's why I got that knife. I'm going to go shape that side. How that's going to look. So now that you got your shape, you're going to do the same thing with your next piece. Okay? Try to get yourself a nice long knife. That way it's easy to cut it. going to do is I'm going to add the frosting first all around the perimeter. Okay, I was looking, and I'm going to place this one on that frosting so it sticks. And then I'm going to put more frosting on it. Right back. I'm going to go ahead and place it in the freezer for 20 minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll start decorating it. Project is complete. That's how you make a gingerbread house with Pop Tarts. If you liked the video and you enjoyed it, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time.